Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy with tomatoes. We'll start by gathering a few simple ingredients that are likely already in your pantry. Then, I'll guide you through the cooking process, ensuring your gravy develops a deep, satisfying flavor. You'll learn how to achieve that perfect, smooth texture, making it an excellent addition to many dishes. Get ready to elevate your home cooking with this versatile and delicious recipe. To begin, you'll need about 2 tablespoons of butter or your preferred cooking oil to create the roux. Next, grab 1/14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Don't drain them, as the liquid is crucial for flavor. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, which will help thicken our gravy to a beautiful consistency. Finally, have some salt and black pepper ready to season your delicious creation to taste. First, melt your 2 tablespoons of butter or heat the oil in a skillet over medium heat. Once melted, stir in the 2 tablespoons of flour to form a smooth roux, cooking it for about 1 minute until lightly golden. Next, gradually whisk in the undrained diced tomatoes, ensuring no lumps form. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring frequently, and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes until it thickens to your desired consistency. Once your gravy has reached the perfect thickness, taste it and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. This rich, savory tomato gravy is fantastic served warm over fluffy biscuits, creamy grits, or even roasted chicken or pork. It adds a wonderful depth of flavor to any meal. For an effortless way to keep your kitchen clean after cooking, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your homemade gravy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.